This week we move away from chapter 4, which was rules of exponents and operations on polynomials, and we move into chapter 5, which is all about factoring. Factoring is an incredibly important skill for you to have as you move through this class and into the next class. Keep in mind, if you cannot factor, you are going to find that chapter 6 is almost impossible for you to complete. Factoring is a skill, so like any other skill you want to develop, the more that you do it, the better you get at it. It's important for you to remember, really, no matter what you're doing, factoring is a guessing game. You may get very good at it so that you're guessing less, but in the end, you're guessing every time you put together a factorization of a polynomial. And so you should always check to make sure that you have the correct factorization. It is very easy to make mistakes, but fortunately, it's also easy to check your mistakes. So every time you factor something, multiply it back out. Use FOIL and make sure that your factorization is correct. Usually, if you have a mistake, it's something small like a sign. If you just multiply it out, you'll catch the error, fix it, and move on to the next problem. Okay? This week, you're going to have the opportunity to consider how to factor binomials, trinomials, and four-term polynomials. And then next week, we'll look at how you can factor any polynomial that you see and how you solve equations.